Area hello, they welcome on football in Pidgin. After match to come, how you see them? Okay, Shozi. Arsenal are 5 points above Manchester City. Now, what do you get to talk and how you see Arsenal performance for this match against Wolf?
Now, great performance, great team, better side of the season, league winner.
You say league winner, but league never finished.
Now, league winner, as I talk and just leave on like that. You see the way we are Man City this way. Now, like this, it could be till the season go end. You understand? Man City go follow us. I don't know who carry third and fourth, but you see Arsenal number 1, number 2, now Man City. Great game, great performance from the team, great teamwork. They try, they deliver as usual.
But for today's match, now, which player and I stand out for you? Which player you could say now play past all the rest Arsenal players?
Well, to me, to rate Arsenal best players these days, for each match, it did very, very hard because everybody they work. You get me? Everybody they work. But probably make I just give Gabriel Jesus. You know how they give Gabriel Jesus? He must always prove point. Say, me, I not be only striker. Me, I be footballer. I be complete footballer because he did everywhere. So I must give out to Gabriel Jesus.
So I want to ask you now, because you know, when season starts, you talk say the league don't go. That time we Arsenal start the season with better Ogbonge form. You talk say the league don't go. But many people have been they talk say, why you they talk like that? But with what you didn't see now, 5 points above Man City. To you believe say after Christmas, because now so they will go break for World Cup. Once they come back, you think say by January Arsenal go see the top the Premier League?
I believe say Arsenal go top the Premier League till the end of the season.
Why you get this confidence?
I just get that strong confidence because when you dey waka or when you dey run, just be like person wey dey run, maybe this MotoGP, you know the energy wey you carry and the rest people their energy. Then automatically some don burst 1 or 2 tire and you won't see they go van. You suppose know say na you go win the race. Shey you understand me? At least not be only one will get injury, even though self injury go come. The rest players from the rest club, they go carry their players go World Cup. They go see get injuries. But my major concern is say at least that January, we could make some signings. You understand? From midfield to wing, we could make those signings then because they're very important to me.
So, but like, how many signings you think say Arsenal need to make?
Not be say I too lie on through to. I go like get 7, 11. Then probably.
But realistically, say you don't want
no,
where you believe say go happen.
No, the wing now they talk will not be. I dey like more get two. In fact, if now one winger they fit give me, one midfielder, then probably one defender, I'm okay because we see they play Europa Cup. So probably 3 is okay for me. 3 is okay.
So 3 signings they okay.
3 signings is okay for me.
So, but I want to ask you about these Arsenal players where they go World Cup now.
Yes.
So, to you now, how you see this timing for this World Cup? You as a Arsenal fan, you dey fear say some of our players fit go the World Cup, they fit can go get injury, come back, or they fit can go affect their form. How you see the timing for the World Cup?
Normally before, many players must go this World Cup. They not will come back the same. Some go pick form, while some go drop form. Why some go get injury? Me, I not like you. This World Cup they play this December, I not like them. I hope say FIFA not go make this same mistake again for life. I don't know why they will play World Cup for Qatar this kind of time. If the weather not favor, may they give out to another person. Sure, you understand me? So what is the use? Say we they go play World Cup where we say league just the start. We still get Europa Cup. We still get Champions League. We still get other domestic league where we say they never even play anything. Now you want use what they call it, you want pause them, you want overwork them, you want overstress them. So to me, this World Cup no enter for this kind of time duration. I not lie you.
So for Arsenal now, before I go let you go, Gashozi, out of all the signings when Mikel Arteta do for this summer transfer window, who will be your signing of the season so far before this break?
Well, for now, we'll leave am for Gabriel Jesus. You dey understand because now Gabriel Jesus and Zizenko now don't future more. You don't understand? But more leave am for Gabriel Jesus. Why I say more leave am for Gabriel Jesus? Waiting they play now for Arsenal. That guy not play himself for Man City. Even Man City will be big team. We play for a very long time. Waiting they play. The guy they create chances. They give assist. You they see him for everywhere. Even in dribbles and stuff. I caught for that guy. So for me, now Gabriel Jesus.
All right, now Gashozi, thank you for your time.